is part 2. I'm done with it. So guys, like and subscribe or else.
I will not kill you at 3 a.m.
Bruh. Okay, this is my secret room. Enter it. So what even happened? I cannot press it.
If you enter a secret room, I will kill you at 3 a.m.
Yeah, but I keep it.
That is not your room.
This is my secret room.
Your secret,
This time.
your whole secret. That is called the hole that keeps the lifeboats. Why did you not put lifeboats?
Oh, I already put it. I put it in the front, dude. A cat! Why is there more cats?
Actually, they're gonna run away soon. Almost to the end.
Yeah. Oh, the cat keep running. Why is it the cat keep running? Stop, you dude.
I love wolves.
Bah? Bah, come on. I will kill this guy. Let me give it netherite soon. Because I gotta kill this cat soon. Hey, come on. Why are not? Do you want some fish? Or not? Well, where's the cat? Where's the cat gone? Where's the cat gone? Bro, where's the cat gone? Where's the cat gone, dude? It's so glitchy. Where's the cat gone? Where is he? Bro, where is he? I see a cat. This time. Whew, this cat is so lazy. They want fish. He don't want anything.
He just only, maybe only wants chicken.
No, I don't like chicken. Cats don't eat chickens. But I just went to my books. Come on. Bruh.
That's gonna flood later.
We're gonna flood later. This time's too hard. 1 hour later. Why this is too hard? Be like this is not dealing. Come on, leash. Come on. I don't want to leash. Okay, I'm tired of you. This time, this cat want to need a cat. Bruh, where is he? He's so sneaky, bruh. This cat won't eat it. Just eat it. Bye, guys. See you soon, but later. Okay.
Yep, boy. Let's get some eBay.
Goodbye.
My God, goodbye. Oh no.